So the students are building a show cattle pole barn. And what we're doing is we're constructing it from scratch. And so right now, today, we are tying all the truss together and getting it ready for metal. So how the program works here in Hull County School District is we have multiple construction and metals programs. And in those programs, they take those programs at that school for about 3 years. And after that 3 years, then they can actually apply to this program. So I actually go and interview them through that process, just like a real job. And then after that interview process, are they accepted into the program? And so after that, they come to the program and they spend their work-based learning hours with me here on site. And that's going to gain them experience in the construction industry. So this helps the students in gaining live work, real work experience in the construction industry. So because it's set up like a real job, and it is a real job for them because they actually do get paid through the school system, and they're working and applying it to real life.
I enjoy it because it gives me a broader experience and more of an insight to the work industry, mainly the construction industry. I'm learning how to use hand signals with different machinery, how to be safe in a work environment, and how to, I would say, build a pole barn. I've never built a pole barn. And then there's also various projects that have also been teaching me what to do. It's preparing me in various methods, mainly in the industry, how to work, what to do, stuff like that. But it's also helping me like how to communicate with other people. I would say it's just a great experience to learn what to do, how to do it. It's also like really helpful to get me to work harder, you know.
Hands-on training is so important here, I feel like, because you learn it in a book application, and then you apply it with your hands. Because a lot of students they only learn with hands-on. Okay, that's their way that they learn. And that's what this program here is for those students to really get that hands-on experience. This program is very important, I feel like, because of that connection with the industry and the school system, because it's preparing them for those careers. We will have them, for the most part, set up with a trade or a company. The previous school year, we've had about 5 of them go into the trades, and they're working, electricians, working general contracting, and such as that. So that's kind of a pathway that we're trying to create with these students to go into those fields.